Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. My name is Kezia and this is a space where I share all my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz. Today's video is going to be my second episode of my deck of panning project pan update. I know it's a bit late. I filmed my first one on January 22nd and I'm filming this on the March 8th, so happy Women's Day. So it's a bit late, but it's fine. It's better late than never, they say, so it's fine. So basically, yes, today is going to be my project pan update using the deck of panning game. If you want to see what products I have been using up and how I have been doing, then keep on watching. And if you like today's video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay, as you know, we use a deck of cards to play this game. And first, before we get into, what cards I'm going to be selecting today, I'm going to just update you on my previous month. Now, I have a bit of a confession to make. I have not been recording how I use the products very well, so bear with me guys, bear with me, okay? So the first card I had selected last month was the Eight of Hearts, which basically states to choose your newest product, and mine was the Rare Beauty All-in-One Primer, and I had just started using it, and well, I had marked it on my video, but then the mark went, but now it's over here, and I feel like I've used quite a chunk, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like this month I kind of want to rotate everything, to be fair. And I've been using them constantly, like for my everyday makeup. These are the products that I use that I will mention today. So I kind of wish to rotate most of, like all of my products basically, I'm not gonna lie. But progress, progress. That is the first product. The second product was, I had chosen the One of Hearts, the Ace of Hearts, sorry. And basically it said add another product, so I had to have, like, instead of 5, because that's what you have to do, you have to choose 5 cards per month. I have to choose another card, so I end up with 6 products, but it's fine. So we had the 5 of Spades, which was nostalgic product, which I chose the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation and I've used it over 20 times, and for me that's quite a big achievement. So I'm going to obviously rotate this, but I wish to say that I really like that. At one point I thought it was breaking me out, but it wasn't the product. I think I was eating too much chocolate, to be fair. I absolutely loved using it. So I have, like, all the products I have today are stuff that we use from the product pan. So the next one was Nine of Spades, and that was to select a powder. And the powder that I had chosen was the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And let me tell you, it already had a pan, but the pan now is much bigger than the previous month. I'll try and see if I find a screenshot of the previous month because I forgot to take a photo of this. I'm a very bad project planner, but I hopefully by the end of the year I'll get better. So then the next one was the 10 of Clubs, and we had gone for pretty packaging. It was pretty packaging, and I had chosen this one, the Catkin CO2 blush. And I mean, the packaging is absolutely stunning, if you guys remember, like absolutely pretty. And I used this blush, obviously no pan because blushes never pan, but I used this again about 18 times, so that's pretty good for me. And like, even you notice that I used it much more because like the outer areas are much pinker and then the inner area is the part where I use the most. I absolutely love this blush. It's a really, really pretty blush. I want to rotate. I want to use some of my makeup products, and I think, every month this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to rotate my stuff, but as long as I would have used them, I think that is what matters to me. Next thing is the Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy, which was the Queen of Hearts. This was the Lemonade Brow from Revolution, and basically what I wanted to do was to finish the pen, which I did, and then for the rest of the month I just use the brow gel. But now I'm just going to throw this away because it doesn't look so good, but I really like this actually. I just honestly, by the end of the month, all I started doing to my brows, which is what I have today, is I just started using the brow gel, and I would just, brush through my brows with it, honestly, and I just like it. But yeah, it's like gunky now, so I should throw this away. And I'm just proud of myself that I finished a brow product. Then the next thing was the Q of Spades, which was in it for the long haul. Not really, but and well, I was supposed to use this 30 times, but I've only used this 15 times. And I chose the Racial eyeshadow palette from Revolution. What? Oh, hello. Bailey just walked into the room. So basically, from this eyeshadow palette, I only focused on Dinosaur, which is that shade right there, and then Barney's, which is that shade right there. As you can see, no pans have been found. However, there are dents in the shadows, which is something that I wanted, and these are the two shades. So that was Dinosaur right here, and that was Barney's right there. So yeah, there are no pans. However, I did get like little, you know, dips, which is quite good, you know, for 15 times. So yeah, I wanted to use them for 30 times, but I only use them for 15 times, which is perfectly fine. But those were the products that I had from last month, and now I kind of want to rotate, and I want to find 5 new cards, which will help me find the next set of products. So basically, I'm going to access now the Excel sheet that Emily had done of deck of panning, like, which gives us the rules and, you know, things like that. I'm on my phone. I'm just gonna find it. So basically, obviously, every month Emily also shuffles the game board. So the things that remain the same, if I'm not mistaken, are like the ace, king, queen, and jack, and then the rest change. So I have the cards over here. So I'm going to select 5. I'm going to close my eyes. So I have uno, due, tre, quattro, and cinque. Okay, so I've selected my cards. Exciting stuff. I'm going to just read them one by one, and I will obviously join them with the rules, and then I'll find out what products I'm going to be panning for this month. So far, all I have written down is the cards that I have selected. I haven't checked what the rule is tied with the card, because I want to see, I want you guys to see my reaction. Also, last month I confused the spades and the clubs. So this one, hopefully I won't confuse them, but it's fine because I only have one of them. So basically, the first card I selected was the 6 of spades. So let's see what the 6 of spades is. So exciting, exciting. So the 6 of spades is Duo Multi-Chrome. That's what it is. Duo Multi-Chrome. So maybe like an eyeshadow or something like that. So yeah, let's see what product I'm going to choose for that. So I haven't gotten used to where my makeup is at the new place. So I just opened a random drawer and like was searching for this Duo Multi-Chrome shade, and I think this would count as Duo. Basically, this is the Pixie Glow Gild Bear Glow. And this I feel like I can just use as an all-rounder complexion for my face, and I feel like that this is the product that I want to select. And kind of, I just wish to basically say that I want to catch up obviously with the other people. So I want to say that I'm going to try using this for at least 15 times, which hopefully I'll make it work by the 20th. So I'll record it next one by the 20th, because you're supposed to record your project pens every 20th of the month, or upload them every 20th of the month, something like that. So I kind of don't want to fall behind. So that is why I'm saving. So I have like, let's see, like till 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We have till the 23. Yeah, I think that's doable, 15, and then I can film it by the end of the month. So yeah, on the last week of March, I will film my next video. So yeah, I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set that I want to use this for 15 times. So this is my Duo Multi-Chrome palette. So the next one basically is 3 of diamonds. So what is 3 of diamonds? Well, let me tell you. It's the matte. Well, that's all it says. It says matte. So I guess I have to choose something which is matte, which I think I want to choose an eyeshadow palette. So I don't want to go to my normal section over here. I have like all my Revolution section. So BRB, I think spring is coming along. Not I think, I know. Spring is coming along soon. So I opened my drawer of my eyeshadow palettes, which are like the higher endish, which like for me Too Faced is. And I reached for the Sweet Peach palette. Who remembers this palette? Like raise your hands, because this is an old palette. And this is the product. They have a new eyeshadow palette, which I have been eyeing, obviously, which I can't get because it's not available in Europe yet. However, when it is, which is April, I will be getting it for sure. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a shade from here. So I think I'm going to choose Caramelized, and it is, well, this is not matte because, well, I think it is matte actually. It just has like glittery pigments in it. Yeah, so it's fine. So this is the shade I'm going to be using for this Tree of Diamonds, and this one is Caramelized. And let me just show you how it looks. Ooh, that's so pretty. Like a very pretty peach. So the next one is the One of Hearts, the Ace of Hearts, sorry, because like if people hear me say One of Hearts, they'll be like kicking themselves. Add another product, so I have to add 2 products now. Great. So we chose the same one as we did last time. So I need to obviously choose 2 more cards. So let's see. I have Uno, Due. Okay, so the next one is the Jack of Hearts. So I wonder what Jack of Hearts is. Random letter generator. Random letter generator. Randomize a letter. Choose a product based on brand or shade name. Oh my god, how cool that is. So we have this thingbob, and I'm going to press spin, and it's going to help me choose a letter from the alphabet. What happened here? Oh, it's accept all. Okay, so let's see where it stops. H. Okay, we have H. Okay, what am I going to choose? Oh, I think I know. I chose Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be using the Fall Filter Foundation. Mine is in the shade Macaroon 230N. Ooh, I haven't used this foundation in a while, guys, so you know what? It's good. It's very, very good. So I've chosen my next product, and I'm going to again say that I want to use this for 15 times. It's going to be very different because this one is very, very like heavy, and then this one wasn't so, I mean it was heavy but not so much. So the next one is the 7 of Hearts. So that is the next card that we have, and the 7 of Hearts is basically a spray. Okay, so I get to choose a spray. I feel that with the Huda Beauty foundation I will need a really nice super dewy spray, so I found the Revolution Super Dewy Fixing Spray. Absolutely love this. I love how it sprays out. It's amazing. Definitely recommend, guys. You need to check this out. 2 cards that I had to choose because of the Ace of Hearts, and I chose the 6 of Diamonds and the 10 of, what are these called? Clubs. The 10 of Clubs, right? Am I right? Right, clubs. So we have the 6 of Hearts, and the 6 of Hearts says indie. Like, I know what indie is, but I don't think I have much indie brands, to be honest. Guys, please, I wish to confess, like I don't have any indie brands, to be fair. I have this one from 17. It's a mascara, and for me it's indie because I don't have much 17 products in my collection. So this is what I'm going to use, and I love me a mascara for every day. So let me just show you the wand. Ooh, it's stuck. No, it's good. I actually really like this mascara, and I haven't used this in a very long time. So I felt like it's the perfect opportunity to pick it up and use it up. Okay, and then finally, we have the 10 of Clubs, and the 10 of Clubs is collecting cobwebs. Oh, how funny. I want to read what she meant by this, but I guess I can understand. It's like a product which is very old, probably. So let's see. Close to expiration, neglected in collection. Oh my days. I think I'm going to go for a powder because I don't have a powder, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I think that I should be using this one. This is the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder, and as you can see, like I've used quite a bit of this. However, like it's like a product which is like quite old, but I mean with powder it's fine, you know, it's fine. Okay, so basically those are the products that we have this month. I'm just going to say bye now to the products that I've been using like for the past month or so, and I absolutely really love them, honestly. And I just want to share, I've been using this lipstick over here. Oh my goodness, it is the love of my life, and this one is the What's Your Sign from ColourPop. Oh my days, I absolutely love this lipstick. Honestly, really, really good lipstick, and I wanted to share that with you. Okay, I'm going to love you and leave you guys, and I hope you have a lovely day. Hope you enjoyed my video, and yeah, happy panning if you're also doing this deck of panning. So yeah, bye guys.